Hi, welcome to your Needham account. First, I'll show you how to log in. At the top right-hand corner of the screen, just click on Login. Give that 1 second here. Then you just put in your username and password. If you want to be able to see your password as you type, you can just click on this eyeball icon right here. You can also click on Keep Me Signed In, so you don't have to log in each time, but I'm not going to do that right now. If you forgot your password, that's no problem. Just click right here. We'll give that 2 seconds here. Then you just enter your email and click Reset. We'll send you an email with a link that will allow you to reset your password. So I'm going to go back and log in here. Give it another couple seconds. And there we go. Simple as that.